This is it, our last stitch together for the 3D lily pad pond stitch along. Today we're going to be doing the raised seeding stitch, which are these cute little green patches that are left on our 3D lily pad pond. So for this stitch, you want 6 strands of your medium green thread, and I'm going to do this section right here. So we're just going to bring our needle up inside that space and make a short stitch forward. And with this one, we want it to have a little bit of a loop on the front of the fabric. So you can see that's sitting up away from the fabric. And now I'm going to do another stitch right next to that, doing exactly the same thing. So come up, making sure not to tug too tightly so my loop is still loose, and do another one going in a different direction. And this will create some beautiful 3D texture on our pond here. And we want these to overlap just a little bit